Good day, my name is Zairel Santander and I am a civil engineer by profession. I work in the structural engineering and construction industry as a design engineer, estimation engineer, project coordinator, and I am also part-time faculty. Civil engineering is the second oldest engineering, and it is a discipline that involves the designing, construction, and maintenance of built environment, which includes roads, bridges, and infrastructures. What I like about civil engineering is that it is centered around or into improving the lives of people by developing and improving facilities. I feel a sense of responsibility towards humanity because civil engineering is a very integral part of the society. What I also like about civil engineering is that it is a diverse profession which offers a wide range of activities across all disciplines. These disciplines are structural engineering, construction engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, and water resources engineering, to name a few. The type of activity I enjoyed the most in my industry is planning and designing. We all know that planning, making appointments, and meetings with the client is an integral activity across all engineering fields. Designing is an interesting activity for me because every project has its own distinct design and operational issues. Designing is very exciting because projects vary significantly from one another. You have to combine strong technical competence and creative designing in order to establish structures with state-of-the-art technology and architectural marvel. This includes knowledge in the architectural aspects, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing system in the construction industry. So this is how I do my scheduling and time management tasks. Number one is you first have to determine the importance of your goals. So you have to do your goals in accordance to its importance, from the most important to the least important. And the strategy is in order for you to accomplish your task efficiently and effectively, you have to subdivide your goal A into smaller tasks, A1, A2, and A3. For example, if you are going to study for an exam, that would be your goal, and then in order to achieve your goal, you have task A1, A2, and A3, which is, for example, for task A1, study chapter 1, task A2, study chapter 2, and task A3, study chapter 3. It is also important to stick to your schedule by allotting a certain time on each task. The key in order to improve this skill is to be consistent and to develop this habit as early as possible, or as early as now, because as a civil engineer in the near future, this will be very important, especially in project management, because in project management, it has a similar strategy wherein you have to determine the most critical task in order for you to accomplish the project at the earliest time possible. My message to future and aspiring engineer is just to dream big and make it happen. Dreaming is not enough. You have to couple it with hard work and dedication in order to make your dreams come true. And I hope that I can see you and work with you in the future. So I also have a YouTube account or a YouTube channel, which is Zairel Santander. It would mean a lot if you could like, subscribe to my channel. That is all, and I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you.